The Galaxy Z Fold may have been Samsung's first foldable phone, but the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is on a different level. Consider a larger battery, greater multitasking to benefit from the foldable internal display, and a few more features to effectively utilize the cover screen. Here is the new Galaxy Z Flip 4 review. Larger secondary display and futuristic multitasking features. Everything we anticipated from Samsung's mid-year Unpacked event was shown, including the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Both foldables undoubtedly resemble their respective predecessors. The Z Flip 4 features a dual rear camera, an external cover display, and a familiar two-tone clamshell design factor. So what else is new? Let's get right into it.
Interesting.
Let's start it off with the 1.9-inch AMOLED front display. The color theme can be associated with your Samsung wearable, if you have one, and it's the same size as the one on the Z Flip 3 from last year. Most of the other important specifications remain the same. The primary display is a 6.7-inch FHD+, 2640 by 1080 AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. There are 3 storage configurations available: 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB, each with 8 GB of RAM. The display is vivid and brilliant as well. The vivid and bright display makes multitasking easy. Keep watching and let's find out more. Samsung has also included extra options and widget customization. There is more control over what else appears on the screen, but you can still add your own photos to it. A fast settings widget and rapid dial options are available in addition to widgets that provide weather and calendar information. As opposed to the previous generation Z Flip, you can now remove whatever widgets you choose.
That's awesome.
Additionally, you may access Samsung Wallet features to make contactless payments without having to flip the device open, which was unavailable in its predecessors. Instead than having to open your phone like you could on the Z Flip 3, you can now call and text without doing so. According to Samsung, the quirky foldable has an aluminum frame with stronger protection thanks to its brand new Gorilla Glass Victus, plus on the front and back, to protect it from any scratches when it is in your pocket, bag, or your purse. The Z Flip 4 is IPX8 waterproof, as well the cover screen, which is the most vulnerable display due to its external placement, has significant improvements as well. Similarly, while running programs that are not currently supported by the Z Flip 4 on half of the display, a new floating touchpad is available. You can now tap through, use a cursor to explore the app, and scroll through and interact with the content. In order to make the most of a display that bends in the middle, Samsung has made sure to include lots of multitasking ability. Other valuable improvements allow the Z Flip 4 to stand out more. Stay on track with us, and let's find out how best the battery supports the Z Flip 4 multitasking. Multi-window may now be opened with a 2-finger swipe from the bottom of the screen, which is far more practical than the previous technique. The camera app fills the top half of the screen with the viewfinder and the bottom half with all the controls and shooting modes. Thus, Samsung's own apps already worked well with the folding screen, but now, third-party applications have also been modified. For instance, YouTube places the video above the fold and the comments below the fold. And speaking of YouTube, this is just about the right time to ask you to subscribe to our channel and get every tech content unpacked right here. The Z Flip 4 has 8 GB of RAM and Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1 CPU, making it just as powerful as you'd expect a high-end phone to be. Applications open quickly, and dual-window multitasking didn't cause it to overheat. Given that Samsung was able to fit a 3,700 mAh cell inside, the battery life is quite impressive, even though it may not entirely be compared to the newest traditional flagship phones. The capacity is still an admirable 400 mAh higher than the outgoing Z Flip 3.
Perfect.
A more energy-efficient CPU is anticipated to allow this latest device to continue through the night and into a second day between charges. In contrast, The Z Flip 4 would last a day of average use. 25 watts rapid charging is included. It gets a little trickier with the cameras. Technically, the Z Flip 4's array looks to be the same as those of its forerunners, but they are better cameras. The 12-megapixel wide camera has larger 1.8 micron pixels and an f1.8 lens, and the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera has an f2.2 lens. According to Samsung, these larger pixels result in crisper images and better low-light performance, and the company claims it will collect 65% more light. Additionally, the new Z Flip 4 has enhanced video and still subject tracking and stabilization. With 128 gigabytes of storage, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 starts at $1,000 and comes in 4 color options: blue, pink gold, black, and Bora purple. But these colors aren't just what you're looking for. The Z Flip 4 will also be available with a 75-color bespoke customization option. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the greatest foldable you can buy right now, despite the little price rise. There are many positive aspects of this new model, which offers the perfect balance of price, form, and performance. Give this video a thumbs up if you think the Galaxy Z Flip 4 stacks up to the Samsung flagship phone series. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay updated with us by checking out our other video, Samsung Fold 4 versus S22 Ultra, camera, battery and storage review.